Hello everybody, welcome back to my crochet creative studio. Today I would like to show you my new sweater Dante, which is absolutely perfect project for absolute beginners. I'm so happy how my sweater turned out, and yeah, I love this result with the combination of 4 colors. I used white, light gray, dark gray and black color, and the combination of the square and rectangles. This sweater has super easy construction and it's really easy to customize. You can make the sweater wider or narrower, longer or shorter. It's absolutely up to you. You can also customize the length and width of the sleeves. Everything is very clear and simple. I start working in the corner, and the crocheting is at the same time on the back and front panel, and I crochet. The sweater is increasing till I'm satisfied with the length from the bottom till the armhole, and then I continue crocheting and make the sweater. Then you will continue crocheting and make the sweater wider, and you will also continue working on the sleeve. And it will create amazing lines, horizontal and vertical, and you can play with colors. You can use colors you like. You can use, I used 4 colors, but you can use more or less colors. You can also use the rainbow color with the self-striping or the self-striping skein. Well, I don't recommend you to use one color skein, because the pattern and the colors will not be visible, and it's the important to change the colors on this sweater. I also played with the neck opening. You can again make it wider or narrower and bigger or smaller. At first I made the same width on the back panel and on the front panel, and then I changed my mind and make the neck opening on the back panel narrower. You can also play with the edges. I made the edge only around the neck opening, not around the ends of sleeves and around the bottom of the sweater, because of the colors, the ends with the colors changing, and this gradient. I think it's better to don't change the gradient and the colors. But of course you can make the edges, for example using the ribbing pattern, which I used very much for my sweaters. If you need some advice how to make the edge at the end of the sleeve or around the bottom of the sweater, please tell me and I will prepare the video tutorial or explain how to do it. These video tutorials are available on my HeroHero account. I will give you the link below this video, or if you want to have the separate access to this video on the YouTube, there is also no problem, just contact me. The written pattern is available in the PDF. You can download it. It's on my e-shop, Crochet with Love. Guys, I'm so happy to share my video tutorials with you, and I really love to see how your sweaters turned out. Please share the pictures and yeah, show me the colors you chose for your project and the skein which you choose. I'm so excited to see your crocheting. Guys, if you will have any questions during your crocheting, again, I'm here, happy to help and assist. Don't hesitate to contact me. You can reach me on my Facebook page, Pinterest, Instagram and WhatsApp as well. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. I hope I meet you at my video tutorials for Dante Granny sweater. I will prepare video tutorials and release them every week, usually on Sunday, so you will receive the notification into your mailbox. So guys, wish you really happy crocheting, and yeah, see you soon.